Getting hit with Minecraft's error code Creeper? You are not alone. Let's squash this bug and get you back to building in no time. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are going to show how to fix Minecraft error code Creeper, a login issue that's stopping players from accessing their worlds. Method 1. Check your internet connection. If you do not have a stable internet connection, you will have difficulty connecting to the Minecraft servers. To check the internet status, click on the internet icon from the notification tray. Check if you are connected to the internet. You can also click on this link to check the internet speed. You can also restart your router and check if this works. If your internet connection is stable, check the Minecraft server status. Method 2. Check the Minecraft server status. Server outages can also be the reason for Minecraft authentication server errors. So, click here to check the Minecraft server status. If the servers are down, wait until it goes live again. If there is no server outage, then force update Minecraft. Method 3. Flush DNS and reset the network configuration. Windows stores the IP address of the websites you visit. This makes the process faster when you revisit the same website. But if the cache becomes corrupted, then you can get errors while playing Minecraft. So, flush DNS and reset the network configuration to fix the problem. To do so, follow the instructions given below. Type CMD in the Windows search bar and right-click on command prompt. Choose the Run as Administrator option, copy and paste the following lines of commands in the elevated command prompt window and hit enter each time. ipconfig/flush-dns, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ipv6 reset, reset.log, netsh winsock reset catalog. After running all of the above commands, check if you can play your Minecraft without any errors. If not, then change DNS. Method 4. Change DNS. You can try changing the DNS if the above process could not fix the Minecraft error. Right-click on your network connection and expand its properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. Set the preferred DNS server address as 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address as 8.8.4.4. Save the changes made by clicking on the OK button. This should fix the problem. If the Minecraft persists, log out and log in back to the Minecraft launcher. Method 5. Log out and log into Minecraft launcher. You can try logging out and then logging in back to the Minecraft launcher. Open Minecraft launcher and click on your username icon from the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on the logout option. After logging out again, log in with your credentials. Check if this fixes the problem. If not, then reinstall Minecraft. Method 6. Reinstall Minecraft. If no other method could fix the Minecraft error, reinstall Minecraft. A fresh installation often fixes these types of problems. To do that, follow these steps. Type Control Panel in the Windows search box and select the first option. Open Programs and Features. Look at Minecraft from the list of uninstalled programs and right-click on it and select Uninstall. Reinstall Minecraft and check if this fixes the problem. If not, then contact the Minecraft support team. Method 7. Contact Minecraft support. You can contact the Minecraft support team if reinstalling Minecraft doesn't help. Fill in the form from the website and mention your problem there. Follow the on-screen instructions given by the Minecraft support team to solve the problem. And that's a wrap. Error code Creeper should be history now, and you are all set to jump back into Minecraft. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Still stuck or have a tip that worked for you? Drop it in the comments. We are here to help each other out.